The practice analysis really showed me where I was spending my money and what money was coming in and how, and maybe how those were out of alignment, where I should be directing my focus. And it gave me the statistics to really remove fear from decision making.
When I did the practice analysis, I thought that I was already looking at the right data. And then by doing the practice analysis, I realized that I had a lot of gaps in actually really good, usable data that I could use to make good decisions about the company. So I was able to really have my eyes opened to what I needed to be looking at on a daily basis so that we could then see where we actually were and then where we needed to be.
During the practice analysis, we learned quite a few things about our practice. It taught us to take a good hard look at the numbers and more than just the bank account, and really what was driving those numbers, what was behind it, and what levers we could pull on for improvement.
In the practice analysis, we got surveys back from the staff, and it helped me realize what I didn't know. There was really specific questions that were asked that I had never thought to ask my staff, or even in writing form. I usually verbally speak to them a lot, and so some of the feedback that came back was, we want more communication about where the practice is headed, which was something new to me that I hadn't thought about sharing with them. As an owner, I have a lot of ideas of where the vision of my practice is going to go, and that's part of my job as an owner, is to make sure that we're growing. But I didn't realize that it was a problem for some staff to not know more about the vision that I was going towards. So that was one thing that I learned from the survey about how to better communicate with my staff on where the business was headed.
After our practice analysis with survival strategies, we realized we didn't know how to answer some of the questions. We didn't have data and the specifics that they were asking for us, and it really was very eye-opening to us because we wanted that information now and we wanted to know how we could get it.